Hello, good morning, students. We are discussing the most important chapter of your syllabus, cost analysis. In the last video lecture, we discussed what is cost analysis, why we need to study cost analysis, and we also discussed the difference between fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed costs are those costs which are fixed in the short run, irrespective to the level of output. They are known as overhead cost. Variable costs are those costs which change or vary with output. They are function of output. They are prime costs. They are direct costs. Output increase, variable cost increases. Output decreases, variable cost decreases. Output is reduced to zero, nil, variable cost is also zero. There are some costs which are neither fixed costs nor variable costs, but they are known as semi-variable cost. A part of the cost is fixed cost and other part is variable cost. For example, telephone bill. Okay, the rent is fixed and other charges on the basis of consumption. Remuneration of salesmen. Okay, basic plus incentive, basic salary plus incentive. So these are the costs which are under the category of semi-variable cost. Okay, not that important. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is known as total cost. What is total cost? Simple. Total cost is addition or total fixed cost and total variable cost. TC is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Okay, फिक्स कॉस्ट और वेरिएबल को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो उसको क्या बनेगा? टोटल कॉस्ट. Now, as total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, so obviously behavior of total cost also depends on the behavior of total fixed cost and total variable cost. हमने कल जो एग्जाम्पल लिया था वही हम लोग करेंगे. ये that this is output 0 1 2 3 4. We have discussed already that total fixed cost can never be zero even at zero output 100. Total variable cost to zero रहेगा. When output is zero, variable cost is zero. Total cost is 100. Second unit, total fixed cost remain fixed 100. Total cost कितना हो जाएगा? 200. 100 plus 100 200. Like 2 units, fixed cost 100, variable cost 180, so total cost will be 280. 300, 240, 340, like this. So total cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. You can observe from the diagram that x-axis represents output, y-axis represents cost. This is total fixed cost. जैसे हमने अभी देखा है कि total fixed cost remain fixed in the short run. They do not change. They are irrespective to output. So the curve is parallel to x-axis. And this is the behavior of variable cost. When output increase, total variable cost increases. So this is the curve of total variable cost. So you can observe that total cost curve. You can observe from the shape of total cost. Total cost curve is also like fixed cost. It does not start from origin. It starts from here. What is the reason? The reason is that a part of total cost is fixed cost. And as fixed cost can never be zero, total cost can never be zero, even at zero output. समझ में रहा है बात? मान लीजिए कि A plus B is equal to C. Okay? If A cannot be zero, so obviously C can never be zero. Yeah. So total cost is also starting from here. Okay. Why? Because as fixed cost can never be zero even at zero output, nil output, total cost can also can never be zero or nil even at zero hour. And behavior of total cost: 100, 200, 280, 340, 500, 650, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As output increase, total cost is also increase like variable cost. Okay, तो उसका शेप भी कैसा होगा, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट जैसा. as output increase, total variable cost increases. Okay, that is the reason why the shape of total cost is also like total variable cost. What is the difference? The difference is that variable cost starting from origin. Why? Because variable cost can be zero, but total cost is not starting from origin, because total cost can never be zero. Okay, so very simple. In this video lecture we discuss total cost, TC. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Obviously, it is a sum total of total fixed cost and total variable cost. So behavior of total cost is also depending on behavior of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Okay, we have already discussed. So आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.